Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your Instagram password in just a few steps. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile. Next, tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap on Account Center. Tap on Password and Security. Tap on Change Password. Here you will see two options, one for Facebook and the other for Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Now, you will see three boxes. In the first box, enter your current password. In the second box, enter your new password. In the third box, retype the new password. After filling all the boxes, tap the Change Password button below. Your password will be changed. And that's it. How to change your Instagram password. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.